Oh my God, she popping. Oh, they gonna get out the way for me? I appreciate that, gang. I just blew it on a scatty pad. YouTube, man, what's going on? As y'all can see, we back with another video. We doing a POV today. We slide in the car today. Gonna slide almost every turn. We ain't gonna slide every turn. I ain't even gonna say almost every turn, but we gonna slide a little bit, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that little pedal commander on. Let me see, make sure y'all can see it. I got a pedal commander down here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the highest setting, man. Well, I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit. Y'all see it's not warm right now, but I'll just sit here letting it warm up. I've been letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes so far. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw this glove on too that everybody seems to hate. But get what, man? You still clicked on the video. So what else do you have to say, bro? But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on real quick. Now some people say, why do you wear this glove? Why do you wear this glove? I wear it because it gives people something to talk about. The more people have something to talk about, the more they engage with the content. You feel what I'm saying? If y'all don't know what I'm saying, y'all don't know what I'm saying. If you don't create content, then you don't understand. But I'm gonna throw my seatbelt on. What that was? Oh, Gen 5. But I'm gonna throw that seatbelt on. Roll these windows down, crack them a little bit so I can hear that engine, hear them pipes. And y'all see, we on the highest setting. That is Sport Plus on the highest setting. Let me show y'all, make sure y'all can see it. Sport Plus on the highest setting. But we finna get right, man. I'm gonna go ahead and start us off in Sport, and then we're gonna go to Custom. Custom is my track mode. Actually, no, we're not gonna go track at all. We're gonna stay in this. And then let's go ahead and turn this all the way off. Where is it? Yep, there we go. Y'all see it's all the way off, traction off. Let's do it. I ain't gonna lie, with this on the highest setting, bro, it get wicked, bro. I'm finna show y'all in just a second, man. I'm barely even touching the gas at all. But watch what happens when I put it down just a little bit. That ain't nowhere near the flow, bro. Gonna get that started, man. Hit on pops, man. Whoa, bro, they ain't got no windshield in the back of their car. Oh my God, she popping. Oh, they gonna get out the way for me? I appreciate that, guy. Even though I was going this way, y'all could just stay where y'all was at. But I appreciate it, man. Come on, bro. I'm glad I ain't hit. I was just finna hit that bit. Y'all got that big truck in my way, man. What they even building over there? I don't know. I ain't got no idea what that is. Y'all think Buddy will spray the car off for me? Hell no. Probably not. I wonder what that deal they building over there. These folk, they got my tires wet now. I go ahead and get around that curve though. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That pedal commander is something serious, boy. coming up. Or do we? Yeah, we got a little underpass about to come up, man. Dang, that truck sitting low. This is so fun. Y'all see all that fog out here though? This is crazy. I hope it clear up later on. I was gonna get y'all a POV with my homeboy. He got a Mustang, but his Mustang in the shop right now. He getting the cowl hood put on. Well, we put it on already, but he getting it painted. Boy got a design on the back of his truck. Y'all think that's paint or wrap? I bet it's not gonna give me a turn. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. There ain't no car on that side, so dang, it did not give me a turn. I should just sit there and look. Should have went that way. Gotta be quiet. I don't want to wake up the babies. Oh, they already up. I ain't gonna lie. I always wanted to drive trucks when I was a little kid. Not for no company or nothing. I just used to like the 18-wheelers, bro. Right, man. Y'all remember that last video? Well, not the last video I did. It was a different video. I said I was gonna go back to this spot right up here. So I'm gonna go up here and see if it's still empty like it was last time, and I might get some pictures for my ground. My car's too close right here. Alright, the spot right here, I believe. If it ain't this one, it's the next. No, it's the next one. I think. Alright, the next one after this one. Oh, here you go. They got a sign up that say private property. Nah, no trespassing. We're gonna get the fuck out. Yep, that's what we gonna do, get the fuck out. Ain't got time for none of that. 9.8 miles per gallon is crazy. But that ain't the real miles per gallon. Oh my goodness, bro. When I tell you I'm not even putting my foot on the gas for real, boy, that make no sense. If y'all want a pedal commander, bro, I got it linked down below, bro. I think it's still linked down, I ain't sure. Ooh, that blew hard on that Mustang. That blue was definitely hard on that Mustang. Come on, light, turn green, shot it. Turn green, shot it. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, y'all see how I timed that bit. Oh my goodness. I thought I was at like 25. I didn't even know they had houses back there. That bit really ducked up. But that is a long body truck. I know y'all see that bit, boy. Man, they got that dually. That dually. Our twin. Sound good. It went out twin for real, but you know what I'm saying? Close enough. Since I'm already finna pass a gas station up here, I'm gonna just go and get some gas. Actually, I don't know, I might wait. It's 2 gas stations up here. I'm gonna go to the second one. But they packed over there in Hobby Lobby, boy. What the hell do they even sell over that bit? Y'all hear these brakes, bro? That's just so embarrassing, man. Man, we got a buggy on it. That's a Walmart buggy. You don't see no Walmart over there. Oh, it might be Academy Jump. I could have sworn that bit look like Walmart, though. I need to hit up my boy Jalen, too. I ain't gonna lie. I'll probably do that later on, if anything, because got some stuff I need to take care of. I ain't gonna lie, I'm sorry, y'all. I really forgot I was supposed to be sliding, but hey, that's still gonna be the title, bro. I done slid a little bit. That boy trying to fly past. That boy trying to race. That boy thought he was gonna cut me off. Bro, I would get in the turn lane. I do not get cut off, buddy. Pop, pop, pop. That bitch sound good. Go ahead. Y'all hurry y'all speeding ass up, man. Fuck, nigga. I'm just playing. Alright, man. I really could have turned in that bit, even though it say do not enter. But I'm gonna turn right here. Y'all think I can make that bit? Hell nah. Come on, man. Bring y'all that car. Bring y'all that car. Pop, pop. You know what I'm saying? Let's go through that bit. boy. But yeah, as y'all can see, bro, we pulling up on the gas station right here. I'm probably end the video at the gas station. I hate these speed bumps, boy. I feel like some speed bumps be in unnecessary areas, bro. Alright, man, we're pulling up on that gas station, bro. Bro, why you got the glove on, bro? That shit not no striker, bro. Yeah, I think you gotta have a striker to put a damn glove on. Y'all niggas crazy as fuck. That sound like some shit a dumbass would say. But I'm finna get my gas, bro. If y'all folks ain't putting no gas in that bitch, shut the fuck up. No cap. How much y'all think that gas gonna be? Or should I even show y'all? Dang. Make sure y'all remember to turn y'all pedal commander off when you turn the car off, cause that bit do not automatically shut off. When you turn that bit back on, it's gonna be on the same setting. So if you're not ready for that bit, it's over with. Yo ass trying to goddamn ease up. Nah, hell, that bit not finna ease up. That bit finna goddamn fly. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vid, man. I appreciate y'all folks for watching, man. Staying tuned. And we coming back with them banger videos, so y'all get ready for that, man. Go on. Y'all look at that Mustang, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's hard. But yeah, I'm getting that gas, man. I know I said I was wrapping up the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how much the gas be. It really ain't gonna be that much, cause I got, y'all seen when I had it now. I got like 3/4 of a tank almost. So it probably ain't gonna be nothing but about $20 for real. Dang, that Mustang was hard, bro. I can't lie. Hold on. Alright, I was wrong. I thought it was gonna be $20. Alright, 23. Cool.